everyone. Welcome to SST College of Arts and Commerce. This is SST Edupedia. Myself, Professor Reena Mishra. Today I am going to take the topic Company Meetings from Company Secretarial Practices SEM 4. Today our topic for the discussion are meaning of company meeting, definition of company meeting, need of company meeting, what are the different requirements for a valid company meeting, what is the importance of company meeting, and what are the secretarial duties before, during and after company meeting. So the very first concept which we are going to cover is meaning of company meeting. See, let's talk about the general, what is the meeting word stands for. In general, meeting मतलब क्या होता है कि जब कोई भी दो या दो से ज़्यादा लोग एक जगह पे किसी मैटर को डिस्कस करने के लिए जमा होते हैं, उसे हम लोग मीटिंग कहते हैं. तो इफ़ वी टॉक अबाउट कंपनी मीटिंग्स, मीटिंग इज़ अ गैदरिंग ऑफ असेंबली ऑफ पर्सन्स for transacting lawful business. Meeting act as collective decision making forum. Meeting ये gathering है, लोग एक जगह पे gather होते हैं, जमा होते हैं. जहाँ कौन जमा होते हैं? Persons. Different type of different persons they collect, they assemble in one place for what purpose? For transacting lawful business. Yes, the lawful business, that term is very, very important. Suppose if people gather in one place for some unethical work or for some destructive purpose, then it cannot be considered as a meeting. It is not allowed. So the purpose of the meeting must be for some constructive work. So that is what makes the meeting. Meeting act as a collective decision making. Meeting where at least two people or more than two people, they come together at a common platform and they discuss over the common matter, and at the same time they are presenting sharing their views among themselves, and after sharing of their views they come out with a good option or good solution of certain problem. So that is what the meaning serves. Definition of the meeting is, meeting is an act of coming together to discuss any particular matter. So here, as far as the company meeting is concerned, the meeting is for discussion of certain topic, to take out the solution of certain problem. That is what the meeting stands for. Here people are coming for some purpose, some official purpose. That is what is defined as a meeting. What is the need of company meeting? Every now and then the company has to organize the meeting. The companies are held with the meeting. What is the purpose of it? It is very, very important to conduct the meeting after the specific interval or as and when required. First, to provide a convenient platform to members to come together and express their view freely. As we talk about joint stock company, it is a large scale company where the owner of the company are different. At the same time, the management of the company are different. But they require to communicate among themselves. They need to intimate the information or share the knowledge about the company. And for that purpose, there has to be the common platform where people meet at the same time, at the on the same day, to talk or to share the knowledge about each other. That is what is the company meeting serves for. Then for approval of annual report and annual account. Every year the company has to get its books of account audited. हर साल कंपनी को अपने फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट ऑडिट करवाने पड़ते हैं. ऑडिट करवाने के बाद कंपनी के शेयर होल्डर्स को वो एनुअल जनरल मीटिंग में प्रेजेंट करना होता है. Okay, along with the audited financial statement, the company has to also prepare the report. ये रिपोर्ट जो है वो कंपनी के डायरेक्टर्स बनाते हैं, जिसको कंपनी डायरेक्टर रिपोर्ट कहते हैं, एंड एट द सेम टाइम ऑडिटेड बुक्स ऑफ अकाउंट्स का रिपोर्ट ऑडिटर बनाता है. राइट, तो डायरेक्टर्स रिपोर्ट एंड ऑडिटर्स रिपोर्ट, एट द सेम टाइम द फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट विच इज ऑडिटेड बाय द ऑडिटर ऑफ द कंपनी. ये सारे जो रिपोर्ट्स हैं वो कंपनी मीटिंग में कंपनी के शेयर होल्डर्स के सामने प्रेजेंट करने पड़ते हैं और उसके लिए कंपनी को मीटिंग बुलानी पड़ती है। टू इलेक्ट द डायरेक्टर ऑफ द कंपनी, सपोज अगर कंपनी को डायरेक्टर का इलेक्शन करना है, फॉर दैट पर्पज द कंपनी हैज टू कंडक्ट द मीटिंग। आफ्टर दैट टू रिव्यू द प्रोग्रेस ऑफ द कंपनी and to take important policies and program. Review the progress of the company is as per the discussion in the last meeting or as per the determined target in the last meeting, how far we have achieved that target. हम लोगों ने पिछली बार मीटिंग में जो भी पॉलिसी बनाई थी, जो रिजोल्यूशन पास हुआ था, अब हम कहाँ तक पहुँचे हैं, हमने वो ऑब्जेक्टिव कहाँ तक अचीव किया है, उस चीज़ का रिव्यू लेने के लिए, और एट द सेम टाइम इन फोर्थ कमिंग टाइम, आगे आने वाले समय में हमें और क्या नई पॉलिसीज़ फ्रेम करनी है और क्या हमें नए प्लान बनाने हैं, ये सब बातों का डिस्कस करने के लिए भी कंपनी में मीटिंग कंडक्ट होती है। कंटिन्यू विद द लास्ट स्लाइड। टू इनेबल शेयर होल्डर्स टू कम, अगेन द मीटिंग इज ऑर्गेनाइज्ड टू कॉल द शेयर होल्डर्स। The status of the shareholder is of the owner. Shareholders are the owner of the company, and as a owner of the company, shareholders have the right to know each and every detail regarding the company, and for that purpose every year the company has to organize the annual general meeting. This meeting is held between the shareholder and the board of directors, and there the board of directors, they invite the shareholders for the meeting whereby they are going to present the report of the company. Next is to give approval to important appointments. In case the company has undertaken any new appointment for a director or the auditor, the same approval has to be taken in the meeting. उस appointment का approval meeting में होना चाहिए। कंपनी के shareholders को भी पता होना चाहिए कि ये पर्टिकुलर पर्सन का अपॉइंटमेंट ऑडिटर के लिए हुआ है या एज अ डायरेक्टर नया पर्सन अपॉइंट हुआ है और उसके लिए मीटिंग कंडक्ट होती है। टू मेंटेन इफेक्टिव कंट्रोल, सी मीटिंग्स आर इनडायरेक्टली टेकिंग द रिव्यू ऑफ ईच एंड एवरी अफेयर विच इज टेकिंग प्लेस इन द कंपनी। कंपनी जो भी काम करती है उस काम का हिसाब मीटिंग में देना पड़ता है, अब वो बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स की मीटिंग हो या कंपनी की एनुअल जनरल मीटिंग हो। तो मीटिंग होने वाली है और मीटिंग में हमें रिपोर्ट प्रेजेंट करना है, ये एक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होती है बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स के लिए और अदर एम्प्लॉयज़ के लिए। तो इसलिए उनके ऊपर एक प्रेशर होता है कि वी हैव टू परफॉर्म इन अ बेटर मैनर। अगर हमने परफॉर्म नहीं किया तो हम रिपोर्ट क्या प्रेजेंट करेंगे। दैट्स वाई द कंपनी मीटिंग्स दे प्ले अ रोल ऑफ कंट्रोलिंग द वेरियस अफेयर्स ऑफ द कंपनी मैनेजमेंट टू सॉल्व अर्जेंट एंड क्रूशियल प्रॉब्लम। एट द सेम टाइम लॉन्ग पॉलिसीज़ के लिए तो मीटिंग ज़रूरी है ही, लेकिन अर्जेंट और इम्पॉर्टेंट मैटर्स को शॉर्ट टाइम में सॉल्व करने के लिए भी मीटिंग्स बुलानी पड़ती हैं। टू कॉम्प्लाई विद द स्टैट्यूटरी रिक्वायरमेंट, इट इज़ मैंडेटरी एज पर कंपनीज एक्ट 2013 to conduct the meeting after the specific interval of time. Okay, if we talk about annual general meeting जैसे कि उसके नाम में ही annual है, annually साल में एक बार वो मीटिंग होनी चाहिए। साल में एक बार कंपनी के शेयर होल्डर्स को कंपनी इनवाइट करती है और उनके सामने कंपनी का रिपोर्ट प्रेजेंट करती है, तो ये स्टैट्यूटरी रिक्वायरमेंट है। एट द सेम टाइम बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स शुड ऑल्सो कंडक्ट द मीटिंग एट क्वार्टरली, that after the interval of 3 months or 4 times in a month, they have to conduct the meeting among themselves. Apart from that, they can conduct more meetings also as and when required. But the basic statutory requirement के हिसाब से कुछ minimum time में उनको meetings करना पड़ता है। Next is the requirement of valid meeting. Requirement of valid meeting stands for what are the important points which are to be taken into consideration while conducting the meeting. जब मीटिंग हो रही है तो मीटिंग को वैलिड मानने के लिए कौन से पॉइंट्स का होना इम्पॉर्टेंट है, किन बातों पे ध्यान दिया जाता है। तो वो है फर्स्ट, इट मस्ट बी ड्यूली कन्वेंड। इट मस्ट बी ड्यूली कन्वेंड मीन्स द मीटिंग मस्ट हेल्ड इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ प्रॉपर अथॉरिटी। इट मस्ट बी कॉल्ड बाय द प्रॉपर अथॉरिटी। If we talk about annual general meeting, that general meeting must be called by the board of directors. तो कंपनी के board of directors annual general meeting call करते हैं और जो chairperson होता है that person convenes the meeting, he presides over the meeting. So that is duly convened. It must be properly convened. Again, properly convened stands for when the meeting is going to start, there must be minimum number of members present at the meeting, which is called quorum. कंपनी मीटिंग जब हो रही है तो मिनिमम जो मेंबर होते हैं डिटरमाइन है, वो मिनिमम मेंबर प्रेजेंट होने चाहिए, तो ही वो मीटिंग वैलिड मानी जाएगी. इट मस्ट बी प्रॉपरली कंडक्टेड. एट द सेम टाइम द मीटिंग मस्ट बी स्मूथली and properly conducted in the presence of the chairperson, and there must be proper person in the chair. The proper person must preside over the chair. In the absence of a proper chairperson, the meeting will not be considered as valid. So these 4 points must be taken into consideration while conducting the meeting. Next is importance of company meeting. Company meeting serves various purposes. Few of the importance are listed here. First, it facilitates decisions in democratic way. Democratic word stands for that each and every member present in the meeting is supposed to express their view. हर किसी को पूरी आज़ादी है कि उसको पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक के बारे में क्या लगता है, उसका क्या मत है, वो उसको प्रेजेंट कर सकता है. So it provides a platform where people can express their opinion in a democratic manner. Facilitates rational decision making. Rational decision making stands for that decision which is better, which is beneficial for all. वो decision लिया जाता है जो सबके लिए beneficial है. It is not any favorable decision. It should be a win-win situation. जो भी decision meeting में होगा, उसके जो भी स्टेक होल्डर है, कंपनी के जो भी स्टेक होल्डर्स हैं, वो सभी के लिए बेनिफिशियल होना चाहिए. फैसिलिटेट्स क्रॉस फर्टिलाइजेशन ऑफ आइडियाज. सी इट इज ऑलवेज सेड दैट 2 आर बेटर देन 1. एक से भले 2. तो वही बात यहाँ पे कही गई है कि one person, a single person cannot be expert of all. It may be a board of director or it may be a shareholder. भले ही board of directors, they are the professional, they are the expert of the field for the management of the company. Still, people have different ideas, different views, and all the members, those who are participating in the meeting, they are liberal enough to express their view. And when there is a brainstorming among various suggestions, opinions, then people come out of something innovative ideas. So it provides the cross-fertilization of ideas. It provides a platform for the owner and the management. Management are the board of directors, those who are entrusted with the responsibility of running the company in a smooth manner, and owner, those who are the shareholders, these shareholders are from the different background, okay, and these people, they may or may not have the experience to run the company, but company meetings are the platform which brings them together at a common platform to exchange their ideas and to transmit the various information about the company. Important appointments also takes place in the company meetings. For example, appointment of auditor, appointment of director, etc. takes place in the company meetings. It is not a private affair. Every person must come to know about the appointments. That's why the meetings are held. Foundation for the company management. Company meetings are the place, or it is an event where the entire foundation is built as to how the company is going to continue its business. So without company meeting, the proper management is impossible. It cannot be imagined. Therefore, the meetings, and that also at the proper interval of time, is very, very important, which facilitates the smooth and proper conduction of the management. Secretarial duties before okay, now we will discuss what are the different secretarial duties for the company meetings. Secretary, one who is very, very important officer of the company. Secretary plays a very important role for the company meetings. his role is not just limited till organizing the meeting. His role is before the meeting, during the meeting, as well as after the meeting. So we will have a discussion about what is the duty of the company secretary before the company meetings. Before the company meetings are held, company secretary is required to do the preparation. It is just how any other planning is done for the proper conduction of any event. Similarly, the company secretary has to do the preparation so that the meeting will be properly held on the day of meeting. So first of all, he has to prepare and send the notice and agenda to the members of the company. Okay, कंपनी के जो कंपनी मीटिंग के जो इन्वाइटीज हैं जिनके लिए वो मीटिंग ऑर्गेनाइज होने वाली है, उनको मीटिंग की नोटिस भेजनी पड़ती है और मीटिंग का एजेंडा भेजना पड़ता है. ये काम कौन करता है? ये काम सेक्रेटरी करता है. नोटिस इज गिविंग द आइडिया रिगार्डिंग व्हेन द मीटिंग इज गोइंग टू हेल्ड, at what place meeting is going to held, and who are the members of the company meeting. At the same time, in what way the company meeting is going to be conducted. These all details are mentioned in the notice and the agenda of the company meeting. After that, to keep ready all the documents. It depends upon the meetings as to the meeting is among the board of directors or it is between the board of directors or the shareholders. Accordingly, the company secretary has to prepare the documents of the company which he may be asked to produce. And other than that, he is supposed to do other necessary arrangement also. Other necessary arrangement is consist of sitting arrangement, refreshment, or other technical arrangement which is required during the meeting. These all arrangements are done by the company secretary prior to meeting. Now, once the meeting is started, okay, what are the duties company secretary is supposed to do? कंपनी सेक्रेटरी को मीटिंग के दौरान क्या क्या ड्यूटीज़ करने पड़ते हैं. तो जब मीटिंग शुरू होने वाली है तो सबसे पहले उसको देखना है कि मीटिंग का कोरम, मीटिंग में कोरम प्रेजेंट है कि नहीं. कोरम क्या है? कोरम इज द मिनिमम नंबर ऑफ मेंबर्स विच आर सपोज टू बी प्रेजेंट इन द मीटिंग. वो मिनिमम नंबर ऑफ मेंबर जो मीटिंग में प्रेजेंट होने चाहिए. तो फर्स्ट ही विल चेक आउट वेदर द कोरम इज प्रेजेंट और नॉट. After that, he helped the chairman to smooth conduction of the meeting. Whatever assistance the chairman required, the company secretary has to provide the necessary help to the chairman. He has to supply the information, draft resolution, and take down notes. Now, during the meeting, when the discussion is going on, as and when required, he is the officer who is supposed to supply the information. After that, he has to draft the resolution. Resolution meeting होने के बाद जो भी डिसीजन हुआ है, जो भी डिसीजन लिया गया है, वो resolution draft करना उसका ड्यूटी है. After that, during the meeting, he also takes down the necessary and important notes. He has to read certain reports and he has to see the agenda of the meeting. Agenda of the meeting, whether the meeting is going on as per the schedule which is already determined in the agenda. That is also his responsibility, because starting of meeting at the time and getting the meeting over at the time, at the proper time, both the things are very important. Okay, and that is all assisted by the agenda of the meeting. Secretarial duties after the meeting. अभी भी सेक्रेटरी का काम खत्म नहीं हुआ है. मीटिंग के बाद भी उसको कुछ काम करने पड़ते हैं. क्या रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है उसकी? टू ड्राफ्ट मिनट्स. व्हाट इज मिनट्स? मिनट्स आर द समरी ऑफ द मीटिंग. व्हाट वाज द डेट ऑफ द मीटिंग, व्हाट वाज द टाइम ऑफ द मीटिंग, हु आर द मेंबर्स ऑफ द मीटिंग, व्हाट मैटर वाज डिस्कस्ड, व्हाट वाज द रेजोल्यूशन ऑफ द मीटिंग. These are the few topics, these are the few matters which the company secretary has to summarize in his report, and this report is called the minutes. So it's very, very important to write or draft the minutes properly, because these minutes are going to serve as a record for the succeeding meeting. Then to execute the decision taken, whatever resolution was passed or decision was taken, it is the responsibility of the company secretary to implement that decision successfully in the management of the meeting. That is the incorporation of that decision. To arrange for the payment of dividend. Suppose in the general meeting, if the dividend is declared, he has to do the necessary arrangement for the payment of the dividend. The company secretary has to send the appointment letter of the persons. Those who have been appointed in the meeting, he is responsible for sending the appointments, and after that he is supposed to submit the copy of the resolution to the registrar of the company after getting approved from the chairman. Thank you.